Hello and welcome back to Alchemy Hair Extensions, and in this video we're going to provide you a lot of information regarding the keratin bond extensions, so stay tuned. So let me begin with the application part. Let me show you how the application is done. So like you can see in the video, basically we choose these areas, the area at the back and the area at the sides. Usually we do not add these keratin bond extension in the crown area. So once we choose the area at the back where we can fix it, we take a horizontal section, then take a very thin section like a rounded section and take the extensions, and you can see the tip. With the help of the machine, now we melt the glue and we fix it and basically blend it with your natural hair, the strand that we had taken. So that's how it's usually done. Usually in a head, for volume, you would probably need around 50 strands. If your hair is thin and you need length, you may need around 80 strands. But if you're looking for volume and length, then probably you would need around 100 to 150 strands. So as far as the pricing is concerned, the cost is usually around, let's say, 230 to 350 depending on the length and the texture that you choose. But just to give you an approximate idea, it could be anything from 220 to 350 a strand. Well, keratin bond extensions are also known as U-tip, I-tip, V-tip, glue extension. There are a lot of names, but they all mean the same. It's just the shape of the tip. So all of these are the same methods of application. Are you the right candidate for keratin bond extensions? Well, if your hair is very brittle, very thin, the scalp is showing it's weak at the roots, we definitely don't suggest the keratin bond extension. In that case, you can probably consider the tape extensions. If you feel that only the volume has reduced and the roots are not that weak, then keratin bond would be an excellent option. In fact, if you're looking for an option which lasts for a longer time, nothing would beat keratin bond extensions, because they would usually last from 3 to 4 months and probably even longer if you take care of them. So if you're looking for long lasting extensions, this would be the best option. Do these keratin bond extensions show? Do the tips show? Well, it all depends on the placement. What we do is usually we leave the hairline on the sides and the back and the hairline in the front, and we fix it in the inside area. Now when you fix it in these areas, usually even when you tie your hair, the tip will not show. However, after 3 months when the hair grows out, that's when the tip shows a bit, but that's the time when you go to change it and re-glue and fix them again. Is it reusable? Well, of course, these are reusable if you get it done from us. Most of the hair extension suppliers usually don't do it, but yes, we do it. What we do is, once we fix it after 3 months, when it comes off, we re-glue the tip and again fix it to your natural hair. So of course you can reuse them, but you can probably reuse them 2 to 3 times. However, please note, when we reuse them, the life will not be as much. They will come off much faster because the bond becomes loose. So let's say in the first session it lasted for around 3 to 4 months. Your second session may just last for maybe 2 months. It all depends on the care, but the reason is that the bond becomes a little weak of the keratin. Are there different colors available? Well, yes, we use the double drawn Remy version hair, so any color is possible. However, we suggest don't choose very light colors like the ash blondes or the blues, because usually we go to color the natural hair pretty light to deposit these funky colors. Also, when it comes to an ash blonde, we go to bleach it a lot. So I would suggest stay away from these kind of colors. Apart from these, of course, you can do it like, do the browns, golds, blondes. There's absolutely no problem. We can customize these for you. Are there different textures available? Usually the textures which are available with us are the wavy hair and straight hair. However, if you're somebody who has frizzy curly hair, we can curl them and we can deliver it. But however, if there's a lot of frizz, we suggest you doing the cysteine, because after doing the cysteine, the frizz reduces and what happens is the hair is more manageable, and then when you fix these soft extensions, they blend beautifully. So please understand that maintaining it is also a task. So you need your hair to be maintenance free. It needs to be tangle free. So usually when you do the treatment, the hair becomes soft and it's easily manageable. What tools are required for keratin bond extensions? Usually we just need the keratin bond iron. How much time does it take for the application? Usually the application time would be anything for 2 to 3 hours, and then the blending of the extension. So let's say maximum would be around 3 hours. Are keratin bond extensions comfortable? Usually they are comfortable. Honestly, for the first few days you may feel that you're wearing something, but after some time your scalp gets used to it. So they are very comfortable. You don't need to worry at all. However, if your scalp is very sensitive and if you have thin hair, then this we would not advise. We would probably advise the tape extensions because they are much lighter and safer and easy to remove. Can I swim? Of course you can swim with these. It's not going to damage the keratin bond. However, it will make your hair dry because it's human hair. So we suggest if you're going to swim with these, then it's better to wear a swimming cap. Will it come off if somebody pulls? Well, these are one of the most secure methods of application as far as permanent hair extensions are concerned. So as far as keratin bond extensions are concerned, they are very secure. Even if somebody pulls, it will hurt you, but the extensions will not come off. Here we're going to speak about removal of keratin bond extensions. So I'm going to show you how is it done. So like you can see in the video, basically the hair has grown out around 2 to 3 inches. Now this is probably after 3 months, this is how it looks. The hair is going to grow out, and that is the reason the glue has come down. Now what we need to do is we apply the C22 solvent. This solvent kind of softens the bond, and then with the help of plier we basically crush the bond, and that's when the glue extensions comes off. Usually the removal takes around 1 to 1.5 hours, and after that we suggest doing a spa or something, because after removing we would want to do like a deep conditioning treatment, or you suggest a deep conditioning treatment to moisturize the area inside as well, because all this while when we were conditioning it or shampooing it, the inside was not getting nourished. So we suggest a spa or a filler treatment right after removal. So that's a suggestion. How soon can I wear them after removal? Well, after removing you can immediately wear them, but we do not suggest. We suggest taking a week's break. If you can't, then we suggest wearing a clip-on hair extension just in case you feel that the hair is looking thin. Wear a clip-on hair extensions for backup, and then you can fix these back again. What is the cost of re-gluing? The application cost is usually around 2,500 to 3,500, and the re-gluing would hardly be around 1,500 to 2,000. So it totally depends on the number of strands, but just to give you an approximate idea, it could be around 1,200 to 2,000. Can we do the removal at home? Well, we do not suggest try to removing these at your own, because you need skilled professionals, you need the right product so that the bonds get softened. If at all you are unable to remove these extensions, or you do not remove it the right way, it may weaken the roots and cause hair fall. So our suggestion, please go to a specialist in hair extensions and then get it removed. Don't experiment at home. Well, I think we've covered most of the questions related to keratin bond extensions. Just in case if you have more questions, you can probably comment in the comment box. You can let us know what are the questions that you have. We can try to understand your questions and then probably make a video on that. Thank you so much, and please subscribe to our Alchemy Hair Extensions. Thank you.